Morning children, in this video we are going to learn few names of strange creatures. Can you see on your screen few strange creatures? Want to know about them? So let's start. This is the first insect. Can you guess the name of this insect? This is known as the biggest insect and it can weigh up to 70 grams. These insects are endemic to New Zealand and they love to eat carrots. Can you guess? This insect is giant weta and this is known as the biggest insect. Next is fish. This fish has been claimed to be one of the smallest known species of fish and the name of this fish is Pediocyprus progenetica. Pediocyprus progenetica. Yes, repeat after me, Pediocyprus progenetica. And this is the smallest fish. It has a transparent or see-through body. Next is the fastest flying bird. This bird is the fastest flying bird and the name of this bird is peregrine falcon. Their eyes are larger and heavier than human eyes. And this peregrine falcon is the fastest flying bird. Next is again bird, but this is the slowest flying bird. This bird is the slowest flying bird and the name of this bird is American woodcock. These woodcocks spend most of their time on the ground in bushy young forest habitats. This bird is American woodcock and this is the slowest flying bird. Next is, can you see this creature? This is the most toxic fish. They are found in the coastal regions of Indo-Pacific. This is the most toxic fish and the name of this fish is stonefish. The most toxic fish means it can cause a lot of harm or it can be poisonous. Then next creature is spider. Can you guess the name of this spider? This is Brazilian wandering spider and this is the most toxic spider which is also known as armed spider or banana spider. Its bite can be deadly to humans. So Brazilian wandering spider is the most toxic spider. Last is this fish. This fish is the heaviest bony fish in the world. Can you name it? This is sunfish. The ocean sunfish is one of the heaviest bony fish in the world. The species is native to tropical and temperate waters around the world. Sunfish is the heaviest bony fish in the world. Thank you.